Hi, and welcome to Sylvan Mess Designs. If you are a beginner and you need a little extra help, or maybe you just honestly want a quick way to draw out smaller grids, then you're going to love this. This is an angle and circle maker, and it is going to replace the early plastic templates that I think we're all used to seeing that arrive in the beginner kits. If you're not great with using a protractor and compass or ruler, then yes, this is going to replace those tools and make the process really quick, easy, and a little more customizable. Now I'm going to line this up here so that the 0 degree is on top. There are 2 sets of line from the midpoint here all the way to the edge, and the other is slightly offset. The 0 marked here as start is going to be the center of your circle. I'm going to start by showing you the longer one of the two here. Holding down the blue edges of the tool, I'm simply going to make some marks on the right half, running my pencil in the bottom of the slit, and then rotating the center of the tool to align with the next degree marker that I want. As you can see here, the center is very clear. Now I'm going to use the other slot and do the same. Now this allows for a gap around the center dot if you so choose. Here's the other part. This set of small circles in a row here on either side. As you can see, both of the slits and the row of dots are marked with measurements up to 2 inches. Now these rows of dots are for making as many or as few circles as you like. You know, my only complaint here is that the rotation of the tool is really not smooth when you're using the centermost dot. And right now it's requiring me to push the center of the tool along with my hand. And this makes for a horrible circle. Now the center is loosening up on the tool as I've used it over time. So I don't expect this to be a real deal breaker or something that's gonna cause problems long term. Lastly, especially if you're a beginner and you want to start experimenting with adding in some more complex elements, drawing these circles through your grid can make a big difference. You can use these to help choose your tool size, or you can even follow the edges when doing rounded walk dots, practicing swooshes, the kind that maybe curl around other elements, or you can certainly play around with them when overlapping patterns. They're surprisingly useful, but you do have to look for the opportunities. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you have made it this far, please take a moment and consider subscribing and giving the video a like if it has helped you at all. We certainly do appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.